What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here outside the thrift store. We're gonna head inside, see what we can find to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. Let's go. So everything is 50% off besides green tags today, which is nice because most of these video games are not green. Oh, I spoke too soon. Prices are kind of randomly all over the place. Lots of sports titles, of course. There are some good hidden gem sports titles to keep an eye out for. Guitar Hero World Tour used to be decent. We'll throw it in the cart. I like to bundle that with guitars if I ever find the guitars. And what is that? That's a movie. What do we have over here? Pac-Man, Dead Island, B-Movie, B-Movie the game. We have a few more here. We got a sealed Star Wars. That's kind of cool. Vin Diesel Wheelman. I think this is like one of the worst games ever made. Kind of interested in getting this for myself. I don't think it's worth a lot. But I'll look it up a little bit later. Alright, that's it for the video games. Alright, so we left the media. The place is starting to get pretty packed, but we got a lot of stuff. We got a whole bunch. We have a complete series of Barney Miller here, Jurassic World, a whole bunch of sealed stuff, used stuff. I mean, some of this stuff's going for pretty good money. Look at that. It's the Sprouse twins in a movie I've never heard of, brand new sealed. Random stuff like this does pretty good sometimes. So we're gonna throw all this in the cart and keep looking. What do we have right here? Happy Mother's Day, Ray Dunn. Some Ray Dunn can be good. I don't know if this one is. Mother's Day just passed, so maybe. I guess we're gonna look into it. Oh, don't drop it. What are you? Oh my gosh, you scared me. All right, turn in the corner. We got a whole bunch of toy bags right here. They can be decent. Maybe some board games or something. Let's see if anything stands out to me here. First glance, not really. I don't think so. I do see a Categories the card game. Never heard of that. Could be something. The Topps 2017 sticker collection. FIFA 2016. Those are kind of older. They might be okay. We'll pull this out. What do they want? $6. Jeez Louise. And there's a football one right there. I highly doubt these are anything, but we can look them up. After digging and digging through all these bags, did grab a few cool things in here. We have a bunch of dollhouse furniture that I am on the fence about. I might put it back. It's $5.99, not terrible. We have a whole bag of Pokemon figures from 2005 to 2006 for $25, which is kind of expensive, but there's got to be over 100 in here, so that's a maybe. We have a bunch more figures in here. There's a Doctor Strange. It's only 99 cents, so that's a no-brainer. We got a few more of those bags just filled with figures, so this will be fun to go through at a later date. Alright, they got a whole bunch of board games here. Usually you get lucky with the used ones because so many people come through and look up all the new ones. So if you know what you're looking for when it comes to used games, you can make out pretty well. Let's see if anything pops out to me. Like, this is interesting. Taboo to Go. I'm sure people think it's used, but look at that. It's definitely still new in there. $2.99. We'll try to scan this in, see if it's worth it. So a little slight issue we have is my phone is broken at the moment. So I'm still able to scan, but just barely. So we'll hit the barcode scanner on the Amazon seller app, get that barcode scanned up, and there it is. No rank, one review, selling for $65. So that's not great. That's something we'd maybe check eBay for and see if it's worth it there. So let's try that. So on eBay, it's a totally different story. $15, $24, but that 15's a little low. So we are going to leave it behind. All right, still trying to find a valuable game. And this one right here, Farkle Frenzy. It's not bad. It's only 99 cents. It's used, but definitely still some money in that. Can go right in the cart. Alright, finding some pretty decent things over here in the toys. We have a brand new crayon melter by Crayola. How much is it? It is $1.99. You guys can see some decent profit there. That is going right in the cart. Pop it in. Oh, we also grabbed a MLB-opoly game worth some pretty good money. This one's used, so I don't know if it's complete, but it's only $2. And I got the Clue games for myself, so those don't really count. All right, almost to the very end of this aisle. I almost grabbed the Simon. The price is a little high, $5. I'd only profit about $3 after shipping, maybe like $2.50. So I'm just gonna leave it. But at the very end here, I found this Labyrinth game. Pretty cool looking. What do they want for it? $1.99. It's used, but definitely decent money there. It's going in the cart. Cart's starting to get a little full. Doing pretty good today. All right, this is pretty cool. I've actually always had luck with older Stratego games. Honestly, most Stratego games. This one's cool. It is $1.99, and there is some decent money in this. Check that out. We're gonna throw that right in here, and yeah, I like that. We'll check all the pieces at home. I'm not even gonna bother here when prices are nice and low, like $1.99, $99. Well, this puzzle I grabbed was $5.99. It's brand new sealed, so. You know, when things are $1.99, 99 cents, I don't bother, and if it's not complete, you could sell the parts, or it's only a 99-cent loss, so that's all right. We're gonna keep looking through here. There's some other cool things in here, honestly. What do we have back here? Puzzles. I don't mess with used puzzles. Here's a cool Battleship game. That looks like a newer release, so probably not gonna be good. Battleship also has a lot of pieces that could go missing. Oh, this one's from 2012, so it's not that new. We'll look it up real quick. You know, Battleship's really tough because there are so many little pegs that there's a good chance they're not all in there. All right, scanning it in with the Rave phone right now. And oh, it's actually pretty decent. There it is. A little bit of a higher rank, but new going for 25, used going for same price. So $13.91. Let's say you'll make about $11 on it. If it costs 99 cents, it's $2. I don't really want to count those pieces, so we'll leave it. But this reverse charades might be good. This memory game might be good. Who knows? I'm just gonna start scanning. Next thing I see, if that's worth it, you guys will see too. All right, so I did some research on this Bongo Congo, and I don't know what I'm missing, but it's not on Amazon, none on eBay, and none sold on eBay. It's only $1.99, and this thing is just pretty cool looking, so I think I have to grab it.
Bongo Congo, a lot of nutty fun. Bongo Congo, you got him won. He'll drive you cocoa nuts. Bongo Congo, move for my deal.
For $2? Yeah, we'll deal with it later. I like it. I have been looking for extra hockey sticks for the longest time and just found these ones. Never heard of this. Mouse Kemp, not sure, made in Ukraine. 99 cents each. And we found a lefty because my buddy's a lefty, so that's going to be for him, and an extra righty. So that is sick for 99 cents. You just can't beat that. I didn't even look at these baggies back here. A little Atari plug and play. For $5. It's actually not bad for the flashback. Whoa, that is loud. What do we have here? We have an old MP3 Kobe player. It's kind of cool. A bunch of Dyson parts. That actually might not be bad if it's priced right. Ooh, priced at $5. That's, whoops. There we go. All right. This is kind of nice right here, actually. For $9.99, half off. You got some Dyson turbo brushes. These can sell anywhere between $15 and $20 a piece. That's going in the cart. These are eBay flips. All right, we're going down the very last toy aisle. Here's a cool little crystal growing kit. Whoa, we'll hold that in my hands. What do we have here? A DVD set. Probably not great. Cricket, no. We have a vintage Minnie Mouse puzzle here and a vintage Aladdin puzzle. They're both used, so we'll leave those behind. And a vintage Lion King puzzle. Somebody got rid of all their old puzzles. All right, what is this? Breaking point. It takes nerves of steel, a keen eye, and a steady hand before they break. That very old school. Gotta love it. Some Lego race cars. Oh, is this still new? Are they all in there? It is still new. Oh, that's kind of cool. Lego race car set. We'll look into that. So I was restricted to sell not Lego, but the brand Klutz. It sells for about 28 bucks on Amazon at $8. It would have been worth it, but I can't sell it, so it's got to stay behind. Don't know if we're gonna find any other games here, but the cart is looking awesome. Oh, we also grabbed a badminton set for $2.99, a complete badminton set with the net and everything. Lots and lots of cool games. Looking up here, I just noticed we have a sealed Peanuts puzzle, pretty cool, and a Ticket to Ride first journey game for $1.99. I mean, I can't see how that could be bad. We're gonna have to look both those up. And I think, oh, maybe one more game here. No, that's not good. So yeah, we'll have to check those two things out. So at $2, that Ticket to Ride would have been good, but sadly on Amazon, I'm restricted. So I can't sell it, but it would have sold for $24. Not bad. Leave it behind. I think that about does it. There's a whole bunch of bins of Legos here, which probably means they're priced too high. You can see $199.99. It's $200 a bin. Some are half off at $100 right now, but they're still here. I see a little BB-8 down in there, Star Wars. Oh, there's some sealed baggies in here. And, oh, you can't even lift it. They're so jammed in here. I don't see any minifigures though. Looking around in here, I don't think I would take the gamble at $100, but lots of Legos. I found a couple more Stratego games that should be pretty good at $2 each, so I threw them on top, and the cart is so jam-packed full. Luckily, there's nobody in line, so I'm gonna try and duck out of here real fast.